QuickBooks versus Xero. Which accounting software is right for you? Let's be honest. Choosing the right accounting software can feel like wading through a swamp of confusing jargon and overwhelming features. You're probably wondering, is QuickBooks similar to Xero? And which one should I even consider for my business? Well, you're not alone. These two giants dominate the accounting software market, and while they share some similarities, they also have key differences that could make one a better fit for your specific needs. In this video, we'll dive deep into QuickBooks versus Xero, comparing their key features, pricing, ease of use, and more. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of which software is the best match for your business and can confidently make a decision that will streamline your finances. Let's start with the basics. Both QuickBooks and Xero are cloud-based accounting software designed to help businesses manage their finances more efficiently. They automate tasks like invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and payroll, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. But here's where things get interesting. 1. Ease of use. QuickBooks, known for its user-friendly interface, especially for beginners. It offers a more intuitive navigation and a simpler learning curve. Xero, while user-friendly, Xero might have a slightly steeper learning curve compared to QuickBooks, especially for those new to cloud accounting. However, it boasts a clean and modern interface with excellent mobile app functionality. 2. Features. QuickBooks offers a comprehensive suite of features, including robust inventory management, robust payroll options, and strong reporting capabilities. It also integrates with a wide range of third-party apps. Xero, excellent for businesses that rely heavily on online transactions and bank feeds. It excels in areas like bank reconciliation, invoicing, and expense tracking. Xero also boasts a strong focus on automation and integration with other business tools. 3. Pricing. QuickBooks offers a tiered pricing structure with various plans to suit different business sizes and needs. They often have seasonal promotions and discounts available. Xero, generally more affordable for smaller businesses compared to QuickBooks. They also have a transparent pricing model with no hidden costs. 4. Industry focus. QuickBooks offers industry-specific solutions for various sectors, such as retail, construction, and nonprofit organizations. Xero, while suitable for various industries, it's particularly well-suited for professional services, such as accounting firms, consultants, and freelancers. 5. Customer support. QuickBooks offers excellent customer support with various channels, including phone, email, and live chat. They also have a comprehensive knowledge base and online resources. Xero provides good customer support through email, phone, and live chat. They also have a strong online community and extensive help documentation. Let's break down some key considerations. Business size. If you're a small business with simple accounting needs, Xero might be a more cost-effective option. For larger businesses with more complex needs, QuickBooks might offer the broader feature set and scalability you require. Industry. Consider which software aligns better with your industry's specific requirements. For example, if you're in retail, QuickBooks might be a better fit due to its robust inventory management features. Budget. Compare pricing plans carefully and consider the long-term costs. Factor in potential upgrades, add-ons, and the cost of any necessary integrations. Technical expertise. If you're not tech-savvy, QuickBooks might be easier to learn and use. However, both platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and excellent online resources. Let's dive deeper into some specific examples. Invoicing. Both QuickBooks and Xero offer robust invoicing features. QuickBooks provides more customization options, while Xero excels in online invoicing and automated payment reminders. Expense tracking. Both platforms allow you to easily track expenses. Xero's bank feeds and automated expense categorization can save you significant time. Payroll. QuickBooks offers comprehensive payroll features, including direct deposit, tax filings, and employee management. Xero's payroll features are also robust but may have limitations depending on your location. Now, let's address some common questions. Can I switch from QuickBooks to Xero? Yes, it's generally possible to migrate your data from QuickBooks to Xero. However, the process can be complex and may require professional assistance. Does QuickBooks offer a free trial? Yes, QuickBooks offers a free trial for most of its plans, allowing you to test the software before committing. Xero also offers a free trial, which software has better reporting capabilities. Both platforms offer excellent reporting capabilities. QuickBooks generally provides a wider range of reports and customization options. Ultimately, the best choice for you depends on your unique business needs and preferences. Here are some practical tips to help you make a decision. Take advantage of free trials. Test both platforms to see which one you prefer. Consider your team's technical skills. Choose a software that your team can easily learn and use. Prioritize your needs. Determine which features are most important to your business. Read online reviews. See what other businesses have to say about their experiences with QuickBooks and Xero. Consult with an accountant or bookkeeper. They can provide valuable insights and recommendations based on your specific situation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.